I do not want even a single girl to suffer, so here's everything that made my life 10 times easier. The first and the bestest decision was to switch to a menstrual cup. Initially, it took me some time to learn how to use it, but eventually, it turned out to be the bestest decision of my life. Basically, you can be in a swimming pool, sleep in the weirdest position possible, run, dance, jump, do whatever the shit you want, and you won't even feel a thing. It just eradicates the whole worry of an extra thing sticking to your body, which can budge and make you uncomfortable. Plus, it's eco friendly, you do not have to be guilty, and you do not have to worry about where should I throw my pad when I'm at someone else's place. It's cost effective. I've been literally using the same cup for 2 years now and it's working perfectly fine. Plus, these cups are made with medical grade silicone, so they are not going to react with your body, unlike a lot of pads in the market. Next is investing in a detangling brush with flexible bristles. Now, trust me when I say that I have all the brushes and combs available in the market, and this is the one that I come back to every single day because it detangles my hair in the simplest way possible without hurting and with minimal breakage. And it's designed in a way that increases circulation at your scalp. And I occasionally use it as a massager, so I do not have to invest in a separate massager. So I would say it's multifunctional, and it's from the brand called Gub. I want to give them a special shout out, and no, I'm not getting paid to say this. And now, last but not the least, is switching to contact lenses. I was honestly very skeptical about making this switch because I had a lot of misconceptions about contact lenses, but eventually it turned out to be a good decision. So I have a condition called myopia or nearsightedness where I cannot see beyond this distance, which is like a curse. And I have worn glasses for more than 10 years of my life, and they have made some really evident structural changes to the bridge of my nose. 2 years back, when I started making makeup videos, I literally had to rub the mirror on my face to see what kind of sculpting I'm doing on my face. So that's when I thought maybe I should get contact lenses. But after 2 years of using them, I just realized how easier and comfortable they have made my life. So that was it. In case you find it helpful, do share it with your girlfriends.